Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. This is my makeup look from the previous video that I posted. If you haven't seen that, it's my wash and go with the pink, Luster's pink hair products. Go check that video out. First, I'm starting with the Pro Concealer in the Cool Tan. And I'm just putting that over my eyelids. I kind of use that as a base. Okay, now I'm going in with the chalk dust from Crayon Case. And I'm just going to put this on my eyelids for the creasing. A lot of times when you put concealer on, it starts to crease. So I'm trying to prevent the creasing. Okay, now I'm using the Raw Sauce eyeshadow palette by the Crayon Case, and I'm going to start with the color Moonlight. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Success because you know your girl's successful. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Shooting Star. Now I'm going to go in using the color Future. Now I'm going to use the color Algiers. Now you guys want to blend those colors together so that you won't have such harsh lines in the separation of the colors. Just for like a smooth transition. Okay, I decided to use a different eyeshadow brush. I think the first brush I used probably was more a lip brush, but I went ahead and used it anyways because I thought it was smaller and it'll do well, but it didn't do good. It didn't pick up the eyeshadow like I wanted it to. So now I'm going in with my primer. And you do not have to put as much primer as I put. I was just being extra. Then I'm going in with my Nars foundation. And once again, you do not have to put as much foundation on as I did. But the foundation that I have, it really wasn't matching my color. I had tanned a little bit through the summer, so it really wasn't going on well, but you'll see I'll fix that up. You can fix that up with like contour or bronzer. You can, if you know how to put makeup on, you'll be okay. You'll be able to deal with it until you get a new foundation. I think I did have a new foundation, but I just accidentally put this one on. Now I'm just going to go in with my sponge. It's just going to pick up the makeup a little more for me because I put way too much. So I didn't want it sitting on my skin like that. It wasn't like a matte foundation to where it kind of would have dried and still been cute. So I had to pick up a little bit of that makeup with my sponge. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer. I'm laughing at myself because I was mad because I picked up the wrong one. But it's over with now. I'm not about to put that foundation back on and whatever. It's over with. So instead, I decided to put my other Tarte concealer on. I think it was a number 38 over it. So, and I just mixed the two colors together. Now I'm going in with my True Complexion Contour Palette. It's the palette light to medium. And I'm going to use the Sculpt. And I think I purchased this on Amazon. And I'm going to use this around my hairline. It just kind of gives that even blend into your hairline so it doesn't look like your face was painted. But this is all part of contouring and shading your face. Now I'm going to use that same Sculpt powder from the True Complexion Contour Palette on my nose, just to kind of shape my nose a little bit. Now I'm going in with the same chalk dust from the Crayon Case that I used earlier in this video. And I'm just going to put that over the concealer parts. Alright, so I probably should have used the True Complexion after this. That Sculpt that I used in that palette. The banana powder gets everywhere, so I usually have to go back in when I do the banana powder afterwards. I usually have to go back in and use the True Complexion Contour Palette. So I probably should have just did this first and then used that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the same colors, the Moonlight and the Success color as an eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with the Watch Me blush, and I'm going to use the tangerine color on my cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Honor Roll highlighter from the Crayon Case. And I hope you can see it. Because of my skin complexion, sometimes it's hard to see gold on me. So, but I think I turn a little bit and you can kind of see it. Now I'm using that same highlighter and just kind of putting it underneath my brows.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
Okay, now that I got my lashes on and I did some eyeliner, I'm gonna put my mascara on. I did not show you guys how to do how I put my lashes on or my eyeliner, because y'all, I'm still working on that. Eyeliner is just, it's hard for me. I don't know if it's my eye shape or what, but it's just really hard for me. Last, I'm going to put my mattifying setting mist. Do not put a lot of that. It will have your face looking cakey. Just put it on a little bit. But thank you for watching my channel. Please stay tuned to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
She leaves her safe